I'm about to step out right now. I have to go change my engine oil. This place is dark as fuck. You know it's you. Elantra we had to drive. Elantra. Oil change then, filter then. Something there under the engine. I don't know the name. Hey, bro, that one safe be like 1,300 Ghana cedis. Bro, oil change you, then filter then those things 1,300. And the people that they drive the Range Rover then the Benz. Hey, bro, Charlie, Misumamu. Hey, you people they try. I don't go lie, you people they try. Yeah, Elantra 1,003. And yeah, Benz in the range there. Which say, Muchi na yamoya. I can't dirty roof. So I go washing me. The way they pay me. I think they pay me past washing me. Or see a boy. Somebody will pack for you. Like you go talk to you. They'll pack for your place. I'll be my foolish friend, you. Very foolish boy. I wake up, I no chop. I go feed my car. 1,300 Ghana cedis.